Welcome. In this video, we're going to guide you through the simple steps to disable light mode on LinkedIn, allowing you to switch to a more comfortable dark mode. Whether you find dark mode easier on your eyes or just prefer the aesthetic, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look for the Me icon located at the top left corner of your screen. This is where all your account settings live. After tapping on the Me icon, a menu will pop up. Here, you'll want to select Settings. This will take you to a new page with various options related to your account. Next, navigate to Account Preferences. This section contains settings that allow you to customize your LinkedIn experience according to your preferences. Now, look for the Display option within the Account Preferences. Here, you'll find settings related to how LinkedIn appears on your device. Click on Dark Mode. You will see three options: Device Settings, Dark Mode, and Light Mode. To switch to Dark Mode, simply select Dark Mode. This change will not only enhance your viewing experience, but also make it easier on your eyes during those late-night networking sessions. Once you've made your selection, LinkedIn will automatically save these changes. You can now exit out of the settings and enjoy your newly customized dark interface. And there you have it. Switching from light mode to dark mode on LinkedIn is quick and easy. If you ever want to switch back or try out different settings, just follow these same steps. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on navigating LinkedIn and other platforms effectively.